Hi, my name is Leah with Smart Voice Network. We are a managed IT service provider that will transform your business, strengthen your IT foundation, and enhance your competitive position. We have been determined to make new ways to transform businesses using advanced managed tools to eliminate the need to hire in-house IT staff. Our goal is to give your business the following advantage: tech support 24/7, 365 for all of your IT needs. Our service is simple because it's cloud-based, so you don't need to install or maintain software. We will deliver the highest levels of support to your Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. Keep all your devices' software up to date all the time. Resolve issues faster and repairing any device or server from our remote access. We will manage any new devices that you add onto your business in minutes. Detect and respond to any cyber attacks. Recover your data when ransomware or any other virus strike. Install robust malware protection to protect your devices. Protect your users from visiting malicious websites that could harm your network and devices. Back up files faster and restore full systems, typically within minutes. Monitor and keep track of company and employee-owned mobile devices. Protect your sensitive data from the risk of breach. We'll leverage best-in-class email security and anti-spam protection, and much more. We've integrated all of these features into our services to reduce the need for you to have your own IT department. We can assist you with all of your IT needs by delivering cost-effective and high-quality IT services and solutions. We have a large team of highly experienced and certified IT and security specialists who can handle all of your needs fast, whether you are a large or small organization. With us, you can concentrate entirely on your business while we handle all of your IT needs. So, give us a call today.